Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Saurabh, hello Saurabh. I got testing domain in Cape Gemini and I'm a fresher. Can you tell the future scope of testing domain? See, testing goes hand in hand with development. For every 10 software engineers, you require 3 testers, 2 to 3 testers. Okay, usually that is the kind of ratio we have. Okay, it will also depend on the complexity of projects. Some projects may have less number of testers, some projects will have high number of testers. But no software application can be installed or made available, launched without a proper testing. Okay, if you do that, then there will be a lot of bugs in the software. Okay, so the scope is very huge. From testing domain, you can go into testing automation, which is again a field which is becoming very important. Automation, which is also part of DevOps, okay, development and operations, correct, in which test automation is one of the big pieces of DevOps. So you can go into that field once you start with testing. Okay. From automation, you can then go into other automation areas like chatbots and robotic process automation. Correct. So the scope is huge. Remember that your career will shift every 3 to 5 years, and that will depend on what you are learning and what you are getting into. Okay, that will depend on your interest and how you keep learning while on the job. I've done a lot of videos about how to learn on a job, and you can look at that videos. But uh, your career, where it starts, and during your career, you will keep shifting at every 3 years to 5 years. Okay, new things will come in, new technologies will come in. Testing itself will evolve into better things. Correct. So the scope is always there. But what you do with this, that um, see in my program on A players, I have something called as potential. Potential is what? Potential is always the hidden ability. Okay, your ability to shine. You know, somebody comes and says, you know what, Saurabh has the potential. When somebody says Saurabh has the potential, they mean that you are capable, but your capability has not been proven. Okay, if you think about, you get a job only on basis of your capabilities. Okay, but if you have to decide your potential, if you have to design your potential, then there are three main things which are important. One is your vision. Okay, as you learn, what is your vision? Okay, within testing domain, as you start learning these things, can you think of a vision that this is the place that I want to be? Okay, that vision is very important. Okay, and when you have a vision, you also need confidence. Without confidence, vision does not work. Okay, without confidence, if you have a vision, it is called as daydreaming, which means you are just making up dreams, but these dreams are never coming true. Why? Because you don't have confidence. Okay, and if you have the vision, if you have the confidence, then the third thing that is important is determination. How determined are you to achieve what you have in your vision? Okay, so you start learning everything and then you find out, okay, these are the three tools which are very important for my domain. Okay, so you say, you know what, I am going to be an expert on these tools. Okay, or maybe you are within the domain, you want to become let's say your the application you are testing is a logistics application or a retail application. Okay, some industry, and you just decide that you want to become a industry expert in retail. Okay, so one skill is testing and another skill is retail. Okay, now you have multiple skills, correct? So you got this vision, but then how confident are you of converting this vision into reality? And then, okay, you also have confidence. You are ready to explore, you are ready to find out what needs to be done, you are ready to talk to people, you are ready to do things that are required. But once you know what needs to be done, how determined are you to achieve your vision? Okay, so in my course, How to Become A Players, the first module is all about potential. Okay, developing your potential, and in that developing your potential, I talk about vision, confidence, and uh, determination. Okay, which is the important factor to determine. So your scope is of sorrow. Okay, see, remember that the scope is not of the industry. The industry is going to remain, the industry is going to come and go. But scope is of the individual, the person. Okay, a lot of people come to me and ask me, what is the future of this? What is the future of that? No, there is no future of tools and technologies, and these are all things which will come and go. But the future is of the individual, of how did you build your potential? What did you do in your past that will make you capable for the future? Right? Potential is capability. And if you are uh, inputting everything, if you know how to define your vision, if you know how to have confidence in yourself, if you know how to be determined, then you will be building a very strong potential. Okay, and when you have this strong potential, then automatically opportunities will show up, and because you are capable, you will get these opportunities. People say, hey, this is a project that we want somebody who is an expert on testing and retail, who's expert on testing retail applications. And people will talk about it. And if you have become an expert, somebody will put your name there, and somebody will come to you and say, hey, Saurabh, you know what? We have a project. It's a very good opportunity. It's a new project. We want you to work on this project. And when somebody gives you an opportunity, and when you take that opportunity, that will automatically raise your level. Is that okay? So, Saurabh, scope is your scope. Forget about tools, technologies, and other things. Testing was always there, testing will always remain. Testing was there even before IT industry. Okay, even car used to get tested. Even before there, that whatever industries were there, there was always testing which was there, correct? And it will always remain. Okay, so scope is not in the industry or the thing that you are doing. Scope is in you. How you are learning, how you are building your potential, and how you are showing up in the world. Is that okay, Saurabh? Okay. So make sure that you look at these things. Friends, all of you who are still watching this video, okay, like this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. You can come on next Thursday and join me live. Thank you very much. See you in the next live.